It is Stacy. Woo! And it is Friday. Praise you, Jesus. It's the end of the week, y'all. End of the week. My husband, well, Fat Man, made the comment, I don't know what you get so excited about Fridays for. You don't work. I want to smack him. Here's baby girl.
Hi.
There's my sweet girl. So we slept late this morning, didn't we?
Yeah.
Because it was cold.
That and that darn cat
Yeah, what'd the cat do?
woke me up at 5:30 this morning.
Yes. So, and baby girl always gets up early.
Be careful, you got a dog behind you.
Hey, Miss Foxy. Hey, Miss Foxy, what you wantin', Mama? What you wantin'? Huh? We are just enjoying the nice day at home. We finally have sunshine. Oh, praise you, Jesus. We thought we'd never see the light of day ever again. Did you, Care Beth? Yeah, I told her, I said, I think I'm just going to go outside. And, I mean, we've been deprived of it. Look, y'all, sunshine. Can you believe it? It's sunshine, look. Oh, even Noelle is basking in the sun. Yeah. It feels so good. I'm just going to stand here and soak it up for a minute. Oh, yes. We needed that, though. We needed that. In fact, I think I might leave that door open. Like I said, today is Friday. We had talked about, I guess I better close it. There's just this chill in the air. Even though the sun feels good, the air is cold. So, we had talked about going to, I can't get in the right light, to town, but our neighbor, I've got to go and help her here in just a little bit, bless her heart. When we got our new roof due to the storms, we told her to call her insurance company, and she didn't. She's elderly, and so she didn't because she was afraid about the deductible and everything. But anyhow, she called me this morning well, she called me outside. I had gone out to take Foxy out, and Lucky, one of the outdoor cats, had gotten shut up in Fat Man's shop. So I had to get the key and let that cat out. And the neighbor had asked me, she's like, can you come over? I need to show you something. So I went over, and bless her heart, y'all, about an 8 by 8 foot hole, I kid you not, fell in one of her bedrooms. The sheetrock, the insulation, the whole 9 yards. The only thing that hadn't fallen in was the outside, I guess, like the sheeting and the shingles. But we went outside, and sure enough, there's this like dip in her roof. It ain't gonna take much, and them shingles gonna be falling through. So, needless to say, she was just in tears. She's the one that she has ovarian cancer. Yeah, I want to say it's ovarian or cervical cancer. But anywho, I had gone over, and I told her, I said, don't worry about it. Call the insurance company. And they were giving her the runaround. And I'm like, I'm like, if they haven't come by before I could say anything, she's like, by 2. And I'm like, no, by Tuesday. And I'm like, no, I wasn't going to say Tuesday. I was going to say, if you hadn't heard from them by 2 o'clock, you call Big Mama, and Big Mama take care of it. So she called me just then, and they're going to be on their way in about an hour and a half. Oop, hold on. I'm getting somewhere, y'all. My hands are just not wanting to. Okay. Me in this cold weather, and my arthritis just ain't working with it. I'm just saying. Anywhoozles, I'm kind of waiting on the insurance company people to come, because I told her I would come over there when they get there and explain to them about, all total, there have been 8 houses on just our street that have got new roofs due to the June 28th storm. So, yeah. But yeah, I'm going to go over there and help her with that, because she doesn't know. I told her, if they give me and you both a problem, I'll call Fat Man. He'll get over here real quick like. So I called him, and he told me to tell her not to worry about cleaning up. She can't get anywhere around the installation. And I didn't want her dogs getting into it. So I'm like, let's just close this door, let the insurance claim adjuster see it, and then when Fat Man gets home, I'll have him and the boy go over and clean it up. You know, at least get that sheetrock and the insulation picked up, because she doesn't need to be breathing that. And those dogs don't need to be getting into it. And bless her heart, it was freezing in that room. So anywho, albeit to say, and then last night our church, the men's group, oh my goodness, the men's group had made Boston butts, and we had bought 2 of them. So Fat Man was able to go and pick up our butts. Our butt was ready. So that was my good butt, y'all. They were huge. We still got a ton. We only cut off one. And I froze the other one. And that was the best butt he had ever done. I mean, amazing. We've got a man in our church we call Sparkles, because his eyes sparkle whenever he talks. And sweet, sweet, sweet man. Oh, he's so sweet. Him and his wife both. But yeah, Fat Man went by yesterday and got our butt picked up. Or butts picked up. And that's what we ate last night. Thank goodness, because I had that treatment. And y'all, I don't know if it was because it finally just caught up with me or what. I came home and I was still about to freeze. So I wound up in bed underneath covers. Yeah, and I took me a good old long nap. When Fat Man came home, I was still in bed, and he knew if I ever nap in the bed, I don't feel good. Usually I'll nap in my recliner. That's, you know, they'll find me asleep in my recliner a lot. But if I'm ever in bed, he knows something's up. So I said something. He's like, don't worry about supper. You know, we've got this butt. We can eat butt and chips. And so, but I finally did get up and heated up some onion rolls I had in the freezer. What is it, Foxy? And made some baked beans. So I think that's what we're going to pick off of during the course of the weekend. We still got a ton of butt left. So I think we're going to do that. Baby girl is wanting to go see Fantastic Beasts 2 for her birthday. So I think we're going to do that either Saturday or Sunday. Probably Saturday. I don't know. But that's what she wants to do for her birthday. Like I said, usually she wants to go bowling. So, but this movie happened to come out this weekend. So she's wanting to see that. So I'm trying to think what else. Yeah. Yeah. This ain't gonna be just a chat with me. What do we need to do? Oh, it's supposed to be clean out your Wednesday. No, yesterday. What the crap? November the 15th, y'all. November the 15th was National Clean Out Your Fridge Day. How many of you accomplished that? Raise your hand. Notice Big Mama's hands went way down. I have not gotten to mine yet. I do need to clean out my refrigerator and my freezers. Those are my frogs. Those are my frogs. In fact, today it occurred to me, I was wrestling with that big chest freezer in there, scrounging around. Me and baby girl had hot dogs today for lunch. And I had to take near about every bin and container out of that big freezer in there looking for dead burn hot dog buns. Don't you hate it when you lose your buns? To go with your butt. I got buns and butts, y'all. I'm sorry. My grandmother would have my hide for my mind going there. Anywho. I guess the hot dog would be the weenies. So we got buns, butt, and weenies. Oh, Big Mama's mine. I'm sorry. Okay, we're gonna get serious. Oh, I almost lost my teeth. Okay, seriously. Wait, I gotta compose myself. I gotta compose myself, y'all. I did. I almost lost my bottom teeth. Ooh. I'm gonna have to glue them suckers back in. If I keep talking like that, I might need that lidocaine cream in there. Anywho, I was looking for some hot dog buns for my weenies to go with my butt. And I knew about fell in that dead burn thing. It's deep. That and with it being cold, and my hands were already cold. Yeah. I don't know if I either need help whenever I get ready to do it. Yeah, I don't know. But then I wound up in the bottom part of our freezer, digging around in that one. That's where I finally found the weenies. No, I'm not talking about you, Foxy. Yeah, Carol Beth was so cute. She gave Foxy the little end part of her hot dog. And Foxy, you know, of course, ate it. And Carol Beth made the comment. She's like, Foxy, that makes you a cannibal. You're eating your own kind. Foxy's a Dotson, for those of you that don't know. And so, but Carol Beth was so cute. You're a cannibal. You're eating your own kind. Because she's a weenie dog. Anywho, yeah. But yeah, that's on my list of projects that I need to do. Like I said, I'm waiting on the insurance man so I can go next door and help her with that. And I'm just trying to get myself motivated. I don't know. I need to eat my frog, y'all. I need to eat my frog. And I know not to get nibbling on my frog because I'm going to have to stop. And so I think I'm going to make myself, when I get down next door. We're dinging. Wait a minute. Whenever I get down next door, I'm going to make myself come home and tackle that, at least the small freezer, because man, it was a hot mess. And that one definitely is. But y'all, I shared this on my Facebook page the other day, and it has gone crazy. So I don't know if that can pick up if the light, I can't tell if the light is, I don't know if y'all can read that. I thought it was too funny. I'm sorry. You gotta admit it's funny. Yeah. Do the math. I'm just... Okay. Now that we've discussed butts, buns, weenies, and the price of... Oh, y'all, I can feel the flames against my neck. My grandmother would say that. She's like, you feel it, don't you? You feel that heat. It's them flames. Satan's getting at your neck. He's just a chasing you. Oh, okay. All right. I'm getting serious. Okay. So National Clean Out Your Fridge Day. Maybe I could just send it a card and wish it all the luck in the world. We can do this, y'all. Seriously, we can do this. I don't want to. Alright. I need a cord. Uh-oh, hey! How y'all doing, Hoins? Y'all just dancing all kinds of places with your butts and your buns. Hey, how's it going? Alright, I'm going to have to tether you here in a minute because my battery is about to die. But here is this hot, look at this. Can you even make out what crap any of this is? There's my wings. We didn't use them all. It's naan bread that I'd ordered way back. Yeah, it's just a hot mess. Hot mess. I've got some ham steaks left. They need to go in that big freezer. Yeah. There's my cherry ice cream. A towel. This, an ice cube stuck to it. Isn't that quite lovely? Yeah, that's what I do my hot dogs in. That'll be alright. The towel actually goes with, if you've never made, a nurse friend of ours showed us this trick. Always keep in your freezer some water with some rubbing alcohol. And it will make it where the water will not freeze. See, the water isn't frozen, but it makes a great ice pack. I mean, this sucker gets cold. That's hence the towel. You have to have a towel around it, because if you take that and put on your skin, it's going to frostbite. I kid you not. That's how cold this sucker is. So, we always keep that wrapped up in a towel in our freezer. It worked wonderful when Bo had his knee replacement. Like, seriously, I kid you not. I'm going to put y'all right there. And we're going to angle. Uh-oh. Hey! Maybe if we all do this, everybody lean. Lean into it now. There we go. Alright. But yeah, and I forgot, I want to say maybe equal parts. Equal parts, if you're a nurse or if you know how, I guess that's how that goes. If you're a nurse and you know the quantity, how to do it, the measurements. But it just makes it where it's really good and cold, and it will meld. Like if you needed to wrap around your wrist. Seriously, it is amazing. Best ice pack you will ever. You can't buy one that good. Seriously, that's what they do at the hospitals, and it's just in. I think it's a total of 3 Ziploc bags. A Ziploc within a Ziploc within a Ziploc. That inner Ziploc bag. And it looks like it did leak, because now some of the, so, I'm going to squeeze some of the air out of it. But yeah, seriously, that is the best. And even our orthopedic, when we were telling him, yeah, you can smell that alcohol. But that's what keeps it from freezing. I mean, if you've ever had like a block of ice, it ain't going to meld and shape, you know, where it's movable. It's not really pliable, but yeah, giving, I guess is what you could call it. So, but we just leave it wrapped up like that, usually. How the ice pack got on one side and the towel got on the other, Big Mama don't know. But we're going to wrap it back up. That's usually how I have it wrapped up. In fact, I might take another Ziploc bag and stick this in the Ziploc bag so it'll stay together. I think that might be what I do. But I'm going to go ahead. Procrastination is not going to get the best of me. I can go ahead and at least start on this freezer. And when my neighbor calls, all I got to do, hold on, I'm going to get out the frame here in just a second. There. Okay, we're good. When my neighbor calls, I can just close the freezer and pick back up where I left off. So, I am not going to let my frog get the best of me today. I think I am going to do that with this towel, though. I'm just going to take it, fold it, stick it inside another baggie. It might need a 2-gallon baggie. I don't know. Y'all ever bought those? I did not realize they sold them until my sister told me about them. Y'all, game changer. I'm just saying. Game changer. I always keep at least one box on hand. Oh, that fit in a gallon one though. Look there. There. That way ice won't stick to my towel, and it's together. Squeeze air out of it. There. That way it's together. So, I am going to start tackling, if nothing else, I'm tackling this freezer. So, y'all saw the before, and whenever I get done, you will see the after. It might not be till after Halloween. Lord have mercy, Jesus. Yeah, heifer, please. After, after Thanksgiving, maybe Christmas. If you don't see me within the next week, somebody send sheriff's department at my house. I'm just saying, I might get in there and get frostbite. You never know. Maybe the abominable snowman or something. But, so, let me get tackling my frog, y'all. Okay, and real quick, this is how I'm going to handle this. Kind of like make sure you got your garbage bag, make sure you got a box for things that go in other rooms, and then a donate pile. You can't do that with your food or freezers, but you do need a trash can for anything that is no more good or freezer burned or, you know, just trash or whatever. I took the ham steak. There was this little netting around it because it was a 3-pack from Sam's. I'm throwing this away. These need to go into my big chest freezer. So, I have got, I say I do. Hey y'all, how you doing? How's your mama and them? What's up, buttercups? Alright, I've got my cooler back. So, I'm just going to put it here on the floor. Anything that goes to that other freezer, I'm dipping in there. So I got my trash, I got my bag that will go to the other cooler, and that should be all I need. But yeah, so, and just make it easy because I was going to run those ham steaks and then come back in here. Yeah, no, I'm going to make it easy on myself, and I'm just going to stay right here because if you go from room to room, you're going to be chasing that hamster. We ain't letting Dory out of the tank, y'all. Ooh, and I'm getting hot. Of course, once I start sticking my hands down in there, I'll be cold again. But yeah. I like cornstarch. I have not used in forever. The date is still good, but it's been opened. How does that work, y'all? Does it go? Would it get funky? I don't know. It's got coffee grounds or something in it. Would it get funky? I think we're going to chunk that. Yeah. These actually came with Brian and Carol Beth's lunch boxes that I bought them at Costco. So, see, something hard like that would not be good to put around anything that you need an ice pack for. And the beeping is going to be my refrigerator. Let me know if the door's open. So, I'm going to get back to this, but I just wanted to give you that tip. Make sure you got a garbage can and maybe a cooler bag or something that you need to, if you have more than one freezer. That's going to keep me from running from room to room. Because if my honey goes in there and looks to try to put these ham steaks in there, I'm going to get distracted and start trying to clean it out. And not finish this one. So, we're going to stay focused and on task. I'm eating this frog, y'all. Okay. Seriously, that only took me 10 minutes. I'm not kidding, y'all. I found those 2 ham steaks. I found a container of crock pot camp stew. I left a recipe for that. Oh crap it. And some hamburger buns. All that needs to go to the big freezer. But look at what Big Mama accomplished. Y'all, I found stuff. I'm not even going to mention how old. But now look. Okay, I had flour down in here I did not know I had. I can't tell you how many more bags of self-rising flour I have bought. But I had some white bacon chocolate. I had this huge thing I bought at Sam's of semi-sweet chocolate. And then I forgot I had them, so I got some of all these whenever we had gone. Still the cherry ice cream. Strawberries that are still good because I bought them this year. The whipped cream I got the other day for Carol Beth's dessert. My non-bread for pizzas. And then Brian's hot peppers, a lady at church gave him. And then this, I got 2 things of cheese left. A bunch of these Honey Bow whenever he would get them when it was hot summer and he'd come in from work. He would eat like 3 at a time. I kid you not. Yeah. These are hot dogs I had left. And then this is some salami as I'll take out. And then there's some ham. So I know that we've got ham and salami for lunch meat. But doesn't that look much better? And it didn't take me 10 minutes. I even got my vacuum cleaner out and used the hose attachment to get like crumbs and just stuff that was down in there. And so see, and that was something I was putting off because I thought, well, I don't want to start that project and my neighbor called. But it didn't take me 10 minutes. Seriously. And I had been dreading that one, y'all. And I don't know why. I can get all my ice bags back in. So this is the ice bag. Like I said, if we get hurt, all these go in either lunch boxes or, you know, things like that. There you go. I don't want y'all getting a view of my hiney. Yeah. So I'm going to get all these back in there. Like I said, these came with Brian and Carol Beth's lunch boxes that I got them at Costco. Like right before technically school started. But he needed a new one for work, and she needed a new one. Her little Tinkerbell wasn't getting it no more, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, big girl ate more than what Tinkerbell could hold. And she had that Tinkerbell one for years. I mean, years. Alright, so we're just going to take these, and I'm just going to kind of stick back here behind this flower where they can be seen. And then this little compartment here thing at the door. I don't know if you can tell this little wire. Let's see. Yeah, this little wire shelf thing here at the door. The water bottles, I am going to chunk. I can't tell you how many bottles of frozen water I have thrown away. There's a popsicle. Ain't no telling how old that thing is. We're going to chunk it. These actually went to some cups. We do not have those cups no more. So they're going to get thrown away. These we got, they had a Baptist heart health seminar thing that our ladies group from church went to. And we each got one of those little heart healthy ice pack things. They're just good to go on lunches or freezer bags for your ice water or whatever. So, but that's one down. So I think I'm going to tackle the refrigerator part and then move on to that big freezer. I'm getting there, y'all. I'm eating that frog a bite at a time. A bite at a time. Or I tackled that like the whole frog in one bite. So let me get to this refrigerator. Okay. Seriously, y'all, that didn't even take me 5 minutes. Basically, because I kind of wiped everything down the other day. Remember when I took my drawer out and got all that chocolate or soda or whatever it was it spilled. So, I just kind of had to organize, take some leftovers out. The cream cheese, if y'all have never thought about doing it this way, seriously, y'all. And they are good until, I forgot what the date said. It's like a good ways. February 2019. I can't tell you how many blocks of cream cheese or containers or tubs of cream cheese I've had to throw away because one or two would open it for like bagels, and then it might sit in there for a week or two. Yeah, it ain't good after a week or two, you know, but I'm just saying. So these are perfect. One actually is enough for a bagel. Brian's even taken some to work and used for celery or carrots. I've used them to do like my wheat thin crackers. If I have caught myself and I hadn't eaten lunch or something, I'll grab one of these and some wheat thins, and it's just enough to kind of give me a little bit of protein to fend off that headache. But it did let me see of, okay, you know, we've got these crescent rolls, we've got these cinnamon rolls. They had gotten shoved at the back and hid, and I'd never about forgot about them. I noticed how many eggs we had. Cheese, these little cheese snacker things. Me and Brian love these. And I think Becca even grabbed some. Here's that butt that I was talking about. Look how much butt we've still got left, y'all. That is off of one butt. And we had a ton of barbecue sandwiches last night. And then here's the baked beans that we had left to go with it. So we're going to eat on that this weekend. I've still got some salad left. That's what I've been eating this week for lunches usually. Today I need to go with a hot dog. Still got those potatoes, got carrots. I just, like I said, it let me know. I organized down in here. There's this last thing of bacon that we have. Y'all, if you've never tried the Sour Patch Kids yogurts, yes. And I've heard that they've come out with a cereal. I know they were only doing it in certain places, so if you're, I think it's Target. I think it's Target. I've had my door open long enough that it finally went out. But yeah, I know that we've got that. Lunch meats were good. But like I said, now that I cleaned out my freezer, I know I shouldn't have ordered that lunch meat because I got some in my freezer. So, yeah. If I clean out my crap, maybe I'll save some money. So, that frog is done. That frog is seriously done. I'm going to unplug this vacuum. A lady, oh, the sweet lady, that her husband is the one that did the wonderful butts. She came by this morning and brought me some salad, and a friend of hers, her nickname Bangs. You know, you got somebody, if you got somebody named Bangs, had did her some peppers. Remember the other day I had talked about I had run out of my peppers and onions? The Lord heard me. The Lord heard me. So I'm going to bag these up and get them ready to go in my big freezer, and that way I'll have them. In fact, what I might do, I got some onions that might be on the verge of, I will probably go ahead, and whenever I bag those up, yeah, I've got these onions. Oh, and I forgot I had them taters down there. I need to do something with some taters, y'all. I'm just saying. Taters, peppers, onions. Oh, and I got some cocktail weenies in there. I see something developing, y'all. I see something developing. Or that, but, yeah, we could do taters, onions, and peppers to go with that butt. Boom. Meal. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? You gonna eat taters. So, I'm gonna get these bagged up and ready to go. Part of them in the freezer, and then part of them, guess what? We're gonna fill our pie holes with some this weekend, y'all. I'm just saying, we're going to use it or lose it. We're going to use it because we ain't going to lose it. So, let me get these bagged up. Yeah, progress. Progress. Hang in there, heifers. Hang in there. Hi, Heinz. Okay, I am back. I have not eaten my big frog of cleaning out my big freezer, but I've gotten my little freezer and the refrigerator cleaned out. And I did go help my neighbor. I'm fixing to have to go back over here in a minute. The insurance adjuster is coming. But we got some very, very, very special mail today. And Carol Beth wanted to tell. Can you tell Miss Leanne?
Thank you, Miss Leanne.
Yeah, Miss Leanne sent her a Harry Potter coloring book and some colored pencils for her birthday, and she is so excited, aren't you, baby girl?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, she has been looking through that book and looking through that book, trying to pick out the perfect picture to start coloring with, haven't you, baby girl?
Yep.
Yes. So thank you, Leanne, very much. Baby girl loves it. Loves it. Don't you, sweetie?
Yes.
Yes. And then to Lozzy, my across the pond hun. Hey, girlfriend. We love you so much. And Miss Leanne, we love you too. Leanne's going to be my bail money lady. And then Lozzy is going to be my extradition where I can go and hide out. Oh, and we got your package today as well. So that's why I was saying it's very, very good mail day. She sent us this cute ornament. Let's see if I can make my hands work enough to turn it on. Care about my hand to have you. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Isn't that cute?
Oh, Pencil's gonna have fill down.
Yeah, Pencil will have a freak out with this. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. He's going to love that. So we got the ornament. And a very, very sweet, sweet card. I love the poppies. In fact, I think I'm going to frame this. Yeah, I love flowers and flower cards. And poppies are one of my favorites. And then some English breakfast tea. I love hot tea. Love hot tea. We went to the gazebo tea room. We need to go back, don't we, baby girl?
Yeah.
To the tea room.
Make sure you eat some before you go.
Yeah, make sure you eat something before you go. It's more like snack. It's the experience. And then the biscuit tin. That is so cute. Carol Beth loved looking at the pictures going all the way around. It shows like a scene. That'll go cute with our Christmas village, won't it?
Yup.
We're having to add some houses to our Christmas village. Our Christmas village is, it's a very small village. Let's put it that way. We add a little bit each year. And then this tea, I'm trying to get where the light. This tea, we love that. Carol Beth knew it was Big Ben and the Queen's Guards. And then what did you say the other one was? What is that on the end?
Tower Bridge.
That London Tower Bridge. Yep. London Bridge is falling down. We hope it don't fall. Yeah, no. That's just a song. Lozzy, how did that song come about? I'm just asking. Did it ever fall? Let's hope not. And then some candies, Cadbury's. Y'all. Lozzy, I don't know how you knew, girlfriend, but yes. Please. And then the cutest little pins. Those are cute. Those are cute. Yeah, those are cute. So, Lozzy, thank you. Thank you so much. And Leanne, thank you for Carol Beth. She's coloring as we speak.
Thank you.
She is. She's enjoying that. And I know we're going to enjoy these wonderful English snacks. So thank you, ladies. We love y'all so much. And to all those that have subscribed and y'all keep us in your thoughts and prayers, thank you so much. We truly appreciate it. We know that y'all are thinking about us and praying for us, and we just, that means a lot. That means a lot. We are a family. We are a true family here. Nuts and all.
Yeah.
We gotta love the crazy. So, yeah, I think that's going to do it for today. So put on those pearls, put on that smile, and y'all be sweet. And we'll see you tomorrow.